In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Adobe Acrobat Reader and Pro DC. This feature can significantly reduce glare and make your screen time more comfortable. Whether you're using Windows or Mac OS, the steps are pretty straightforward, though there are some slight differences depending on your setup. So let's dive right into it and transform your reading experience with a sleek, dark interface. First, we'll cover Adobe Acrobat Pro DC or Acrobat Reader DC on Windows. Begin by launching Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once the app is open, you'll want to change the display theme. To do this, navigate to the top of the app and select View, followed by Display Theme. In some cases, you may need to open the menu in the top left corner before you find the View option. Here, you should see an option for dark gray or possibly another similar dark theme. Selecting this will darken the app's interface for a more comfortable visual experience. Now, if you'd like to take it a step further for a true dark experience, you can also adjust the document colors. Start by going to Edit, then select Preferences, and navigate to Accessibility. Within this menu, you'll find the option to enable Replace Document Colors. Check this box to make the necessary changes. You'll want to set your page background to black and your document text to white, or another high contrast combination that you find comfortable. Remember to uncheck the box that says only change the color of black text or line art if your intention is to change the entire page view. Once you've made these adjustments, apply the changes and open a document to see how it looks. If you're using Acrobat Reader DC on Mac OS, the process is quite similar. Start by opening the app and head over to the menu bar. Click on Acrobat Reader, select Preferences, and then Accessibility. If the View option includes Display Theme, you can adjust that here as well. Choose a dark theme if the option is present. Just like on Windows, you can replace the document colors by enabling Replace Document Colors in Preferences, Accessibility. Set your desired page background and document text colors and save these settings. Finally, review a document to ensure the changes are to your liking. With these steps, you've now got a darker, more comfortable version of Adobe Acrobat that's easy on the eyes. This upgrade can make a big difference, especially if you spend a lot of time working with PDFs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Adobe Acrobat tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new dark mode setup.